Multilogin is a reliable tool for operating multiple accounts. In this demo, we show you how to create browser profiles with built-in proxies to manage your Bing accounts. First, open your workspace. Multilogin offers a beginner-friendly interface with drag-and-drop controls and hotkeys. Click Create to start a new browser profile. Enter a clear name for your new profile. Add tags and notes to keep profiles organized. This helps with campaigns and regional accounts. Choose the Startup tab, Browser Core, Storage option, and OS environment. Use mobile profile emulation for a mobile-first setup. Open the Proxy tab. Select Residential or Mobile Proxy. Multilogin includes built-in traffic access to 30 million IPs across more than 150 locations. Choose an ISP if you want a more accurate network identity. Click Check Proxy to confirm the IP and location before continuing. Use more than 55 fingerprint controls to make every profile unique and isolated. Save this configuration as a template if you plan to create similar Bing profiles later. Click Create to store your settings. Your Bing profile is ready to run. Use the Clone button to create additional profiles with identical settings and isolated environments. Enter how many profiles you need, then confirm. Your profiles now appear in the list, each fully separated and ready for use. Use the AI Quick Actions bar to speed up your workflow. Now let's open your new profile. A fingerprint verification window opens. Confirm the IP, time zone, and system details. Now you're all set. Just create or log into your Microsoft accounts for Bing and manage them without risk of bans. Thank you for watching. With Multilogin, you can manage multiple Bing accounts safely and efficiently. Start your trial today and grow your business.